Hey guys, Carl here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. Today I'm going to show you this 2019 Nauticstar 21 footer Legacy. Jump on board, we'll see what we got. Alright guys, on this 21 foot Nauticstar Legacy Edition, you starting here in the bow, we do have the bow filler cushion here. Makes this entire bow a nice little lounge area for those pleasure days out on the island or just cruising. More seating here in front of the helm, and also flips up for a cooler if you need a little bit more storage space for drinks or what have you. And moving our way back, it does come equipped with a head here, or usable head, or if you just want to use it for a little bit more storage, of course you have that as well. And then coming back into the helm, you're equipped with Simrad electronics, infinity stereo system, underwater lights. The boat itself is a 10 out of 10 in beautiful condition. As you can see as we walk through it, the leather and everything that goes along with that, perfect condition as well. Usable igloo comes with it, 94 quart igloo cooler underneath your seating here in the helm. Working our way backwards again, rear bench that goes across the entire transom of the boat, and you'll have storage under that. The boat is equipped with a Yamaha 150 for horsepower, low hours I think in the 130s, and then you also have the towable tow bar for anybody that wants to do water sports, tubing, some light skiing or what have you. You have that as well. This boat does come with the trailer, so even better, and a very good price point. And it's ready for the water to get you ready for the next season coming up, or even now to enjoy this long season that we have here. My name's Carl here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. I look forward to showing it to you. Give me a shout.